Hey everybody, it's Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living, and thanks for watching my videos, and welcome to my new subscribers. And I'm going to show you the Rite Aid ad for November the 4th through the 10th. Now this ad's not very exciting. There are a few deals in here that I know of so far, so hopefully something else will come up during the week. We'll just have to see what people might find. And of course, I'll bring those to you if I find them. Most of the ad is filled with these buy one, get one free deals, so maybe there's something in there that you want. Now, you can see right here they say there's $103 in upper rewards in here. That's really low. Also, my ad did not come with the extra coupon insert that some people are already reporting that their ad has. So if you got those extra coupons, really great. Look through them, see if there's some deals. Unless I get my hands on some from somebody, I don't know, then I won't really talk about those coupons unless there's something I really find out about, okay? Now, what I'm looking at with this week coming up, Friday the 9th will put us 2 weeks away from Black Friday. And if you plan on going to shopping at Rite Aid on Black Friday, and mind you, I haven't seen the ad, I don't know what's going to happen on Black Friday, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's the day that's kind of, because the upper rewards expire in 2 weeks after we get them, that's kind of the day that, you could look at, I need to get my upper rewards on that day so that they'll work on Black Friday. Now, this week is not a good week to roll upper rewards, but I can tell you I've got the ad for the next week, the 11th through the 17th. There's $222 in upper rewards. There's a lot more exciting stuff in this ad than there is in the week coming up. So if you can hold off, if your upper rewards are not going to expire before the 11th of November, get us into the next week, then you might just want to sit on them. There's a few things to do in here. And the TV is on sale again if you have that much and want to get a TV. Now, this Pepsi deal right here will make them $2.66 each, which is a pretty good deal on Pepsi. But if you wait till the next week, they're going to be $2.33 each, okay? A little bit better deal if you like Pepsi. Okay, the Zicam deal. If the clearance items work, and of course we won't know until somebody tries it, so if the clearance one works again, then this will be a little bit of a moneymaker. If you have the $2 printable coupon right here, it's the same one from before, and then I'll try and put a link down there later when I can. And then this dollar off coupon is going to be in the Sunday Smart Source, okay? The dollar off one would cost you, it would be, the clearance items in my area were $3.24, and the dollar off one would cost you 24 cents. But sometimes I'm looking for a filler item, and a lot of times I'm ending up buying something off the clearance rack that I don't really care about, but at least this one will give upper rewards back, okay? So if you got the $2 off coupon, $1.24 out of pocket and get $2 back, okay? The Breathe Right, we have video values, and that's something else I wanted to point out. The video values from October are going to expire at the end of this ad week right here. So, and there were manufacturer coupons on the Breathe Right strips as well if you need those. Okay. Nothing too exciting there. The Schick disposable razors, there's going to be a buy one, get one free coupon in most Sunday papers, it says right there. And there's also supposed to be a $3 off a two coupon in the Sunday paper as well. And then combined with this $3 off coupon, or if you still have any of the printables, I've got a buy one, get one free printable. And I've also got a $6 off a two printable. It expires on November the 5th. So you can get some overage, a little bit of overage if you can buy four. That's if you can use four of these in-ad coupons at the same time. There's some with gold price of $7.03, the regular $8.79. And then here's how it plays out if you've got two BOGO coupons and a $6 off a two coupon, $3.94 overage. If you just use the $3 off a two coupon, it'll give you 94 cents in overage. Okay? Now, the Reach toothbrushes right here, if you've got dollar off coupons, then you can get these for free, essentially. Now, I've tried printing some, but they're printing $1 off a two right now. But with this Catalina program that started, you can get, whoops, well, I ain't going to focus on that, but if you buy two, you'll get a $2 Catalina back, plus the $2 upper reward, and if you had dollar off coupons, that would make them free, okay? Let's see. They're going to do $5 on the fragrance again, so maybe there's some clearance fragrance still at your store. This $5 when you buy two of the jewelry items or the cosmetic bags or wallets. I think the cheapest jewelry I saw was $3.99 with gold discount. It'd be fairly inexpensive, so if that's something you're looking for, you might check that out. The Jessie Girl Bonnie Bell Cosmetics right here, and you know the Bonnie Bell. That was all that lip smacker stuff that we got paid to take before. This is going to be spend $15, get a $7 up reward back, and you can do it one time. So, where did I figure that out? Here it is right here. If you had, they're going to be $1.51 gold, okay? So if you bought 10 of them, and you got 10 of those manufacturer coupons, it costs you $5.10, and you get $7 back. Right there, limit 1. And let's see, what else? Nothing on those pages. The Cottonelle wipes, if you've got this coupon right here from Kmart, then you can get these for free. It'll cost you $2 out of pocket for 2 of them, and you'll get $2 back. And I guess there's supposed to be a 50-cent Saving Star coupon if you do Saving Star. I didn't check to see if I had that. Priscilla was talking about that. Okay, maybe this is a good deal for you on Dixie products or the Glade Expressions aerosol kit. I don't know if there's a coupon out there on that one or not. I don't buy these things, but the Dixie, it's spend $5 and get a $2 up reward back. We do have 55 cents off any of the Dixie napkin coupon. It came out of the Red Plum on 8/19. That's a really old coupon, and it expires in a couple of weeks. Let's see, anything else here? 7-Up's not a bad deal right here. 3 for $3.99 and get $2 back if you like that. And yeah, Breyers ice cream, not a bad deal on that, I guess. Oh, I know something else I was going to point out. I got the coupon laying here. The Duracell batteries. If you're desperate for batteries, we got a 75-cent coupon that you could use on this, and then you get $2 back on those if you need some batteries. Yeah, I think that's about it. Like I said, it's not too exciting. I'll talk to you guys later.